Oh, hi, Pop-Tarts. Fancy meeting you here. Now, when you're watching this, or at least when I'm posting it, I am on vacation at the beach in the sun, with the sand between my toes, and hearing the ocean waves crash in the distance. But you know what we're talking about today, and I'm already thinking about? Christmas gifts. I know, I'm not saying you have to put up the tree, but I am saying that it's never too early to start thinking about gifts. And I have some fantastic homemade gifts that you can make right now that will be perfect to give in the holiday season. Now, once kids go back to school and we get to October, things start to amp up. Activities are in full swing. Before you know it, it's Thanksgiving, and then there's 1 month until Christmas, and you are suddenly overwhelmed with all of the things that you want to do or wanted to do or have to do. So future you is really going to thank current you if you start some of these things now that are absolutely perfectly giftable, perfect for friends, families, church members, neighbors, teachers, all of the things. Let's talk about it. The first one is so stupid easy. It's vanilla extract. So if you start it now, it will be able to steep August, September, October, November, and you can give it in December. It will have a 4-month extraction period, which is great, but this only gets better with age. So here's all you need to do. I got my vanilla beans, Madagascar vanilla beans, off of Amazon. You can do that. I think some are sold here in the TikTok shop. And then this is an 8-ounce bottle. I would recommend that you do like 5 or 6-ounce bottles. They're a little bit smaller, a little bit more manageable. You slice the beans in half. I like to just pierce the beans, but if you want to slice them straight in half, you can. Drop them into the bottle and fill the bottle with vodka. That's it. You want to go a step further, you can make the vanilla that I make. I do equal parts vodka and bourbon, which I think gives it an extra flavor that is just absolutely delicious. You don't need expensive liquor. You don't need expensive bottles, but seal it, put it in a box, store it in a cold, dry, dark place, and then it'll be ready to go. You can put a pretty bow on it. You can add it to things. You can attach a recipe to it. That's true of a lot of things I'm going to show you. Vanilla extract. Do it now. It's done later. You can buy pretty labels, or I just printed these. These are Avery labels, and I just used my printer at home. Printed them, put them on. There it is. You can even personalize them and make a special message. Next, let's talk about jams, jellies, and preserves. Now, yours you wouldn't want to do in containers like this. You would want to can them in mason jars, which can be found at most grocery stores. I even saw some at like Pop Shelf and Home Goods. So grab some mason jars. When things are in season, like this is a peach preserves that I'm getting ready to use, grab your peaches, grab berries while things are on sale, make big containers of jellies, jams. I have recipes that I have shared here, so check that out in the playlist. And then pour them into mason jars. Look up how to can, it's very easy. I did it for the first time at home, just using a pot and setting them straight down into the water. I didn't have a special rack, I didn't have anything special, and it worked perfectly. And I've canned for years. And then you have a delicious treat to add to a basket or give as a hostess gift or create a gift around that is shelf stable for well over a year. And you've made it now, so you don't have to worry about it. Also, I wanted to say, remember that the prettiest berries and peaches and fruit doesn't always make the sweetest jam. So leave no one behind, even if she's ugly. Get her in there. And my last suggestion for you, but probably the one I'm most excited about, spice blends. I just got the packaging off of Amazon. It's in a variety of sizes, so you could choose whatever you want. It's obviously not going to go bad. It's just combinations of spices. This is my pumpkin pie spice blend, but what makes this a really cool gift is if you attach a recipe to it, or even put one of your favorite recipes that uses this spice on the back. So then they have what it is and can look at the recipe right here and bake it in their own kitchen. You want to combine these two things? Phenomenal. But let's talk about gingerbread spice. A lot of people don't have all of the spices in their cabinet to make a gingerbread spice. But they skip something or then they have to buy one, this is perfect. You probably don't need a lot because people don't do a ton with gingerbread spices. But this would be a super cute gift if you add a gingerbread person cookie cutter and a recipe for gingerbread cutout cookies. Then you can attach those 3 things and make a cute little gift for somebody. Maybe you even add a little baby rolling pin or something else that you think really brings it to life. All of these things can be made with the proper container now and are ready to go then for the holiday season. Again, when you're writing out Christmas cards, you won't have to worry because you have something for that neighbor you forgot. Or, oh, that person at church. Or, oh, someone house sat for me and I wanted to do that. Or, oh, I was invited to a friend's giving. Again, future you is going to be really grateful for current you because you're going to take a bunch of stress off your shoulders, impress a whole bunch of people because it's homemade, handmade, and you thought far in advance, and you are going to be able to enjoy the holiday season that much more. So those are some makeable gifts that you can do right now and be ready for the holiday season. Hope this helps. Let me know if you want to see other videos like this or if you have questions in the comments below. Always happy to help. And if you haven't already, please give me a like, a follow, a share, all the things. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, my Pop-Tarts.